Hi everyone, let's see HTML attributes in this video. We already saw HTML elements in previous video. HTML elements are section of HTML document. This is a head element, that's a head section. Then this is a body element, body section. This is a heading element, this is a paragraph element. Let's change this as paragraph end tag. It's a mistake. Let's check this HTML file output in browser. Let's open file path. Let's open Visual Studio parallelly. Here we already know that the first element should be doc type, and it tells the browser that this file type is HTML, and we need to define everything inside HTML root element. And title element of head section used to display title in browser tag. See, my first HTML is displaying in this browser tag, and whatever we define inside body element, it will display in HTML page. And here inside body element defined heading element and paragraph element. Heading element used to display heading, and paragraph element used to display paragraph in HTML file. Now let's change this heading and paragraph color. By using style attribute we can change element color. We should add attribute only in start tag, like this. Style is equal to color. Let's change this as red color. Then in paragraph, let's save this file. Now let's refresh this page. See, we modified elements color successfully. So by adding attributes to the elements, we can change elements attributes. So hope you understand attributes. So every HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provides additional information about elements. Attributes should defined in start tag only. We already saw that. Attributes are specified using name value pair, like this. Here name of the attribute is style. Value may be anything which we want, color, font size, font style, anything. Here we saw style attribute, each element having different attributes. For example, anchor tag. Anchor tag used to display link in web page. When we click on the link, it will redirect to another website or another page. For that we should use href attribute. We cannot use href attribute to paragraph tag, but style attribute can use inside anchor tag also. In our upcoming videos we will see each elements elaborately, so you will understand which attribute should use in each element. And also more than one attribute can add to the elements. For example, paragraph tag we can add style attribute and a title attribute. Title attribute used to display title of the paragraph. Let's add this title attribute to our web page and see. Now let's add that paragraph. Let's add style. Let's add blue color. Let's save this file and refresh. See, we can add more than one attribute to the elements. And this paragraph is explaining about moon. So if you want to add any tooltip or title to this paragraph, we can use title attribute. See, when we mouse over this paragraph, it will display the title. See, about moon. So title attribute used to display title or tooltip to the paragraph element. In our next video, we will see HTML headings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.